The fire exits were blocked. The staircases were blocked. Nobody bothered to conduct a fire drill there, or there was no response when a fire drill was conducted there. People were not aware what is to be done next. If they were using the staircase regularly, or if they had people looking into these aspects, commercial area, every small square feet makes a difference. The staircase was blocked. The fire was due to a short circuit in the lift. People jumped out from the 7th floor. Nobody in his right mind would do that. It happened because people inhaled smoke. One more important point I would like to mention is, whenever there has been a fire and if it has become big, there has been only one main reason. If a fire has become big, there has been only one reason. Air is required. Good idea, sir. Almost touching the point, lack of preparedness. I would mention it in simple words, basically lack of knowledge. Lack of knowledge, when there is a fire, you have a basic idea of using the fire extinguisher, you use it, the fire doesn't become big. Lack of knowledge has been a main problem. So let's not take any chances. Let's have the next person coming in. Jaldi, jaldi.